Brad Haskman writes, Kevin, got our GTR 230 on Friday, Saturday at Cottage, exploring river, attached to the lake, then boom, over a rock, minor scratches on the hull, impressed with the durability. Any experiencing buffing Polytec? I've never had to buff Polytec. Here's the thing. It's the equivalent of buffing plastic. Well, it is plastic. It's the equivalent. It is buffing plastic. So the hard thing with that is the Sea-Doo repair manual shows all about welding plastic, and then they show how to use they're actually showing, one guy was actually using a steel tooth brush, and he was scrubbing it to get that really kind of fine texture, because he was scuffing it really, really hard, and you would see these cross-hatch grooves, and it looks like you've ruined your ski. You're like, oh my gosh, I've made it worse. Then you go back with some finer grit sandpaper and you sand over it again. You can blend it. It's not going to be perfect, but you can blend it and soften the edges of the groove or the cut if it's really bad. Yeah, if it's really bad, you want to soften those hard edges. So, yeah, that's man, that sucks. Brad, I'm sorry, man. That's a tough one.
Hey, guys. Thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.